Hi, today we talk about how to add links on Instagram in bio. So for adding links on Instagram in bio, first you need to open Instagram app. Once you open Instagram app at your mobile phone, then here at the bottom right corner you have your profile button. Click on it. Once you click on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you have this edit profile button. Tap on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here under bio you have this links option. Click on it. Once you click on that option, then here you have two options, add external link and add Facebook profile. If you tap on add Facebook profile, your Facebook profile link is added. But for adding external link, click on add external link. Then this type of page will appear. Here what you need to do in URL, enter the URL of that app or that image which you want. Means here enter that link which you want to add in your bio. So here as you can see that I go to my Pinterest and here I select that picture. Then here what I do is just copy the link of that picture. Then go back to your Instagram profile and here paste that link which you copied. Once you done this, then here at the top right corner you have this done button. Click on it. Then here you can see that link is added in your profile bio. So that's how you can add links on Instagram in bio. Thanks for watching.